students, teachers, and guests. So welcome to our Recognition Day. Recognition Day is always an important occasion for all of us. Uh, it shows the accomplishment not only of our children, but for us parents is an accomplishment, and also for us teachers. So this is a day we like to thank you parents for entrusting your children to us. Um, and at the same time, this is the day we like to acknowledge and thank the teachers who had given their unselfish selves for the children. So actually in the educational level, preschool is the most difficult stage. Just imagine your children uh, getting out from home to another place is a difficult task by itself. So, so again, I'd like to acknowledge and thank the teachers because it's an accomplishment for them to really give out of themselves to look after the children. And so our teachers, Teacher Chris, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Ernie. Okay. Now, this is not, as I've said, it's the most difficult stage. Not only the difficult stage, but it's also the most significant stage. Because everything you learn here, you'll carry on as you go on, not only in your grade school, high school, college, but it's really a lifelong learning skills that we are looking after. So, it's not just learning about reading and writing, etc. But it's really the values that had been inculcated in them that will go a long way. As simple as saying thank you, please, I'm sorry, will go a long way. So I hope that as you live with your children, as you live the comfort of the garden of angels, you'll be an angel to others. Stay an angel to others, no? Wherever you go, I hope you carry with you the lessons you've learned, um, what you've learned in your social skills, that's being friends with others, and saying sorry, sharing your teams, sharing yourselves. Okay? And again, as I've said, it's an important occasion because this is the day that we will recognize what you've done for the year. So have a good day and good luck to all of you.